Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing all three of the Jeffree Star holiday mystery boxes, the mini, the deluxe, and the premium. I forgot to film the intro, so that's why the scenery is going to look a little bit different, but I hope you enjoy everything, and if you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started to the video. Okay, it's recording. Okay, hand me the small one. Actually, hand me the little thing. Yeah, so we got this. Could be interesting. Let's see. My mom is in here to help me, but she doesn't want to be on camera. Yay! All right, little mini. This one retailed for what was it, 20? Mm-hmm. Yeah, but he sent everyone their money back because of the controversy. Ooh, save that. Okay, you can't get the thing up. There's the stickers. Alright, first one is a lip ammunition in the shade Glazed. Interesting. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's like a gold with some iridescent, like the pink and purple. Ooh. You see it?
Oh, that is pretty.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty.
It's pretty.
It's like a pretty topper.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. All right. I like that one. This one, I can't say this word in front of you. But I will. Just don't slap me for it. This is the velour liquid lipstick in the shade P-Whipped, but spelled out P-U-S-S-Y. I don't know this one. Oh, it's like a bronzy gold shimmer. Let's see. It's not. Let's see.
Oh yeah, I like that. That's nice.
It's pretty. Kind of wearable.
That's wearable.
It's doable.
Yeah.
Very shiny. Okay, that was the first box. I'm excited. That was good. I mean, the stickers are stickers, and they're going to be the same in each box. I think each box gets one. So, hold that. Yay! Now is the medium, the premium. Ugh. My mom ordered this one too, but she hasn't gotten hers yet. It might be different. Ooh, already.
Different stickers.
No, it's the same stickers, I think. Yeah, they're the same. Stickers again. And here's this one. And then right on top, this is definitely going to start a giveaway. The palette. And I do believe it's one I already own. Yep, it's the Blue Blood palette. I already have this one. It's, whoopsie, right here. Let's see. Open it up. And I've definitely already played with this one. It's super beautiful. So, I'm not going to open that one because I am going to give it away. You don't do blue, so I can't give that one to you. You may already have it in yours. I don't know. We'll see. There's that one. And then we have a liquid frost in the shade Michigan Ice. This is one of those liquid highlighters. And I don't have this shade. I have two of them over there. You can see it right there. Right there. On out.
It looks different.
Oh yeah, that's blue right there. But the way you work this is you twist it 1, 2, 3, and then open it. And do that, and then do a little bloop. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want blue all over me. And then that's blue.
Shadow?
No, this is like a liquid skin frost. Damn.
Oh.
That's blue. That's super blue. All right. It takes a while to dry. I'll have it for the collection at least. All right, and I've got 2 more liquid lipsticks. This one is a Velvet Velour liquid lipstick in Purple Urkel. Oh, Lord. Oh, wow.
Whoosh.
That's purple. I don't know if I'll wear it on my lips, but might wear it as an eyeliner. His are safe as eyeliners too. Right there. Super pretty.
Oh yeah, that is nice.
And pretty. And that one. And one more. This is the mystery one. It's got the little Santa. Little stacking. I've already seen the sneak peek of this one. I couldn't help myself. Oh, it's beautiful. It's red. It's metallic. And it's got some red glitter shimmer to it. You're supposed to shake these. I keep forgetting that. Mix it up. Kitty, kitty got a squirrel tree, Poppy said. Let's do it right there. Oh my God. This is like a pink undertone red.
Do they smell good?
I don't know. That's super pretty though. I don't have a smell to it. Did I get on or no? No, see?
Wow. You'll
You'll have that red.
That's very out
That's red. That's a Christmas red.
there. Yeah. Like,
Yay. Okay.
white dress. Right.
That's like perfect for like a Christmas party and stuff like that.
Monday
Yeah.
ish.
Yay. That was a $60 box, and it's supposed to be a value of 120. Does it believe what they said? Now the Big Daddy. Yay! Give me. Did you?
No, I didn't.
Did you peek?
No.
I think she's lying. It's okay though. Big Daddy. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, I got a hoodie. Got a hoodie. I knew that one too. I already saw. I know, it's already dry. Besides the blue. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it feels good too. It's got the purple.
Oh yeah, iconic.
It's got the iconic on the butt. Right there. I love it. Yay. That's awesome. That's super pretty. I've already got like, what, 3 t-shirts? Wearing one right now. Oh. Oh my God. Okay. Yay.
You got it?
I did get it. I was so, I don't have this one. It's sold out each time I try to get this one. Not the one we were talking about. But this is the Thirsty palette. This was his summer collection. So pretty. I'm excited about this one. And feel that on the top of it.
That's nice.
It feels good. Oh no. One of them's kind of breaking a little bit. There we go. That Thirsty palette. Let's see.
Oh, that's pretty.
That's
pretty.
It's very super
It's
pretty.
not like that card. It's not like that card.
No, it's not the conspiracy palette. Let's see. We'll do some swatches. Some little swatcheroos. These shimmers. Oh my gosh. It's like butter. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh, that's super beautiful. No, the light can't really get it that good. Let's see. That one right there.
Looks good.
I know you'll love that one. That's beautiful. The mats are really good too. Yay! I'm excited. That's awesome. That's super, super awesome. Yay. Okay. What's in there? Anything in there? No. All right. And there's the stickers again. 3 packs of stickers. Let's do, I already have this one, I believe. Hold on. If I have this one already, that'll be in the giveaway too. Hold on. I do. It's right there. Oopsie. Money, honey. Let's swatch that one. I'll put that in a giveaway. I need a thing. This one is pretty as an eyeshadow, but it ain't no highlighter for me. But it's beautiful. It's the Supreme Frost formula. So pretty. Right there. Let's see. Like a bit on the bottom.
There. Oh, that's pretty.
It's pretty, but
yeah,
not on the cheeks. No. So I'll put that in a giveaway too, because I already have it. All right. 2 more liquid lips. First Class is a gold, which I wouldn't put this on the lips, but it'll be a beautiful eyeliner. Very beautiful. Shake it up. I'm gonna have hell getting this off my arm. So, almost matches my skin tone.
Oh wow, but it's pretty.
It's pretty, but it's not for the lips. No, but it's beautiful. All right, and soft serve. This one's probably wearable. Oh yeah. Let's see.
Looks pretty.
It's like a light pinky coral. What's that? It almost looks like Can't Relate. I have that one. It's the one I'm wearing. So, it's pretty.
Looks lighter.
It looks darker than what's in the thing.
It dries darker.
It's pretty. Very pretty. And then a metal straw.
Candy cane.
Candy cane. I've already got 5 of them, 6 of them now. I ordered a bunch of them. It comes with another little mesh cleaner. Keeps them clean. That's beautiful. I love the straight ones. Pretty. I love that.
Yeah, I like that one.
And now the exclusive. It does look like somebody opened it already. Bastards. It better not be open. But this is the sneak peek he showed everybody on his Snapchat story that we were all getting. There's a little drama behind it because he wanted to release it for everyone. Then people got pissed and said, no, you said it was exclusively only for the big one. So he's not going to release it for everyone to buy. So it's still exclusive for here. Oh no. Oh no. You see that? It's all over right here. Let's see. I haven't even opened it yet. You see how it's all over the edges? Please don't be broke. No! I don't know if I can lift it up and show you. It's broke, but they're beautiful. Let's see. I don't have anywhere to swatch it. Well, that sucks. Let's see. It's pretty. Comes out like a little pinky rose gold. Right there. I hate that. Oh, that feels good.
Customer service.
Yeah. But I mean, I don't know what they can do about it. It's limited edition. Yeah, let me send you another one real quick since we're not making them. That sucks. Oh, that one's beautiful. Right there. It's all 3. This one came broke.
Looks good.
But they look good. That's really sad. Oh no. Well. Oh well. Alright guys, I had to do a little change of scenery. Got kind of pissy with the exclusive palette review. But I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing with my mom helping me out a little bit. It was fun. I loved every bit of it. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to, subscribe, hit the video like button, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.